How to apply Zomato coupons. In order to apply Zomato coupons, you need to follow these steps. So what you could do is you could add your desired item to your cart and proceed to checkout. So basically, when you use your coupons, you could get a certain amount of discount. So to use this, you want to first of all open your Zomato app. You could go ahead and add product to your items. So you could do this while ordering any sort of items or product from Zomato. For example, if you're ordering a food from restaurant, you could apply the coupons. If the restaurant accepts the coupon, then you will be able to get certain amount of discount on the following product or on the following food product or items. So basically, you want to do is open up the product. Now, for example, I'm going to go for the pizza at the moment, and then I'm going to select it once again and click on view card. Moving on, you could see add payment section, right? So basically, when I click on add payment section, I need to go ahead and add in my payment details, and there somewhere in the field you could also find add gift card or some sort of coupon. You just need to go ahead and enter in the number that is on the back of the card and click on apply. As soon as you do this, you will then be able to see whether the card is acceptable or not. And if you find it acceptable, then you'll be able to get hefty amount of discount, and this way you'll be able to apply Zomato coupons. That's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.